Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy bulk on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and make sure that you are signed into your account. In the search bar at the top of your screen, you can type in the product that you are looking for in bulk. For example, you can type bulk items wholesale, for example. So this is keywords. So here scroll through the listings, but you can go to your account at the bottom right here, and here in the section business you can search bulk payments and go to bulk saver hub. And also here you can see the products that are sold in bulk. So here are the options. So when you find something that looks fine, tap on the product to open its details like this and look closely at the pricing. It may say something like 10 pieces or 50 pieces per one lot. In the variation options right here, you can choose the specific color or model if it's needed, and then check whether seller offers multiple quantity selections. So here you can see quantity, you can select more than 50 pieces, and look how many you want, or you can adjust it by using this plus or minus sign. Then you can go to product description. Also, some sellers offer discounts for larger orders if you don't have this in here. If you don't have the option to select more than 50 pieces or more than 10 pieces. In the description, some sellers can offer discounts for larger orders or allow you to message a seller directly for customized bulk quotes. And if you want to ask for a better price or shipping options, you can contact seller and type your message and wait for the reply. And if you check that everything looks fine and you're ready to order, tap Buy Now button. Select here again the color and the size. Tap Continue button, and you will be redirected to order confirmation page. And here double check your shipping address, your delivery address, whether it's correct. If not, you can edit it right here, or you can add a new shipping address. Also select your payment method, and here is the summary. This is the price that you were going to pay before any discounts, and this is the saved amount from the coins. I have applied here 452 coins, and that gave me this discount, very big discount. Also, I can enter here my promo code if I have one, and my shipping fee. And when everything looks correct and fine, tap Place Order button to make an order. And when you made an order, go to your profile right here and go to My Orders section. And here you will see your orders. Tap on any order to open the details of it, and here you can track your shipment, communicate with seller about the delivery and packaging, and get any updates on your order. So that's basically it, how we can buy bulk on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.